and it's going to save you a fortune in garage bills. Then the front swing arms, you can just see where the surface rust starting to form. I can literally rub it off with my hand, to be honest. It's quite loose, it is just on the surface. So these little rubbers that are in here, you've got lots of them all around the car, but this can actually be treated as well. It can help to keep it nice and supple. So look in here again, we've got just basic surface rust, but once that surface rust starts to form, then obviously prevention is better than cures. Same, so we look at the suspension, we're just checking that out. You obviously got the strap under the fuel tank, that's got quite a lot of surface rust. So in there, we want to go across that with the wire brush, remove as much as we can. We've got very light surface rust, so at the moment we're at the preparation stage. Any areas where it's formed like this, where you can see the light rust, we agitate with the wire brush. There is light surface rust going through. You see the areas here are still a little bit dirty, so that will need cleaning off. We do it, as I said, on a barrier. Another example will be the exhaust system. So you can see there where there's light rust forming. Lanoguard actually is really good. It's actually good up to high temperature, so we can actually treat the exhaust with it. You can see the light surface rust there, pretty much everywhere. It is actually structurally intact. I think a lot of people think the modern cars are actually really well protected and maybe they don't need a treatment, but unfortunately they do. You want to extend the life of everything as much as you can, including exhaust system, seals, struts, suspension, subframe, and it's going to save you a fortune in garage bills. Really do like Lanoguard, and why we use it on every vehicle, every treatment that we do, underneath is Lanoguard. Yeah, so that's it. I'm Mike at Mike's Auto Care, and get in touch with Lanoguard. We'll have a look on there if you're in the area and want us to do the vehicle for you. You'll find us on Lanoguard's website, or buy direct from them, treat it at home, but I say ultimately it's well worth doing. So prevention, much better than cure.